Live now. And we're live.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. This is Kavita Kapoor Khalsa, and welcome to Expose at 9 on every Wednesday. So today I have a very wonderful guest, and she's from Ahmedabad. Her name is Jolly Kutecha, and as the name suggests, she is very jolly. She is a happiness coach. 18 years she's been in this field of soft skill training, and she's been a trainer, counselor, has guided a lot of people from their miseries and suffering to joy and happiness. So, as far as I know her, it's been what, like around 10 years, and I've only seen her in a jolly space, so, and I couldn't resist her, from not having her on the show. So I'm really glad, but she's been very busy with her schedules. She could manage to call out this time. I'm so glad that she's here to share her journey with the topic that I'm going to be talking about. So thank you, Jolly, for coming here.
Thank you,
I
Kavita.
hope you're doing well. And you look lovely.
Thank you. Same, same. You look
So,
always pretty.
so I just want to ask you a question that what prompted you from counseling training to getting into healing modalities and including access consciousness, because I know you've done sound healing and a lot of other modalities as well. So what prompted you to getting into access?
So yes, counseling. I've been doing successfully. Trainings were happening for me very well, and I was enjoying. Uh, uh, but what I was enjoying most was the admiration or the appreciation or the recognition I was getting. So
Yeah.
us chakkar mein, in uh, that fame based, everybody likes you, everybody says, oh wow, you're so good. I started concentrating more on how I look to others than actually working on the core. So yes, I used to do counseling, but then I used to see after some time people used to come back with major issues. So I said there is something wrong in what I'm doing. So I think
No,
my
so
failures.
you got stuck in the image that people projected at you, and you wanted to maintain that image of
I was
yours.
enjoying that
So
also.
you
I was
thought,
enjoying that also, to be honest, which was not right because
"Why
when
is why
people,
not?"
yeah, when people started coming with major issues after getting themselves counseled or getting themselves trained, and that failures jerked me up. And yes, that unhappiness that I started feeling, yes, that honesty that you feel, oh, that heaviness that I started feeling, then why am I doing this? For money, for fame? No, there's something missing out.
This
I
thing.
think
Oh,
healing opened up that way for me.
oh wow, that's being very brutally honest, because कोई मानता तो है नहीं ये बात को कि हमें अपनी ही इमेज की जो है ना, हम वो हो जाते हैं, अरे वाह, लोगों ने मुझे वाह वाह
Huh,
बोली है, तो अब मेरे को यही करना है और ऐसे ही करना है, so that we get polarized to only being good, and
yes.
perfect, right?
Looking
Okay,
good and, yeah.
we
So
know what's the right thing that you got to do. Wow, that's amazing. And so yeah, so if I may ask, then what just changed after you got into access? What changed in your life?
So before Access, I did a couple of modalities, but I still was looking for certain freedom. To be
Mhm.
honest.
Yes.
When people come for counseling to me, they come with an expectation of feeling lighter and feeling free. So
Yes.
unless I don't feel that myself, I could not see myself, transmitting it to them. So it's all about energies. It's all about vibrations. you
True.
know so there was a time when I decided to take a break from counseling because it was very heavy for me. And uh, yes, excess, I knew you and you were always encouraging me, but no, me being me, in my own world, I took my own time. I think I took a
You
couple of
get it.
years.
So don't curse yourself for that. You get it when you get it. So
Yeah,
I've been
so now I know, but yes, I always feel I should have just opened up. So I wanted to do it. I remember talking about it, and then one fine day I said, no, Kavita, I think I just took a call and I said, nahi, ab to karna hi hai. And luckily we could, create that at my place. And yeah,
Yes.
so
So then
that
what
brought me to
changed in your life after that?
Oh, that day I remember so well. I remember what we all had worn.
Yes.
I feel my, the house, because it was conducted at my place. मुझे अपने
Yes.
घर की एनर्जीज भी पूरी शिफ्ट होने लगी. I found that access brought so much. There's so much things we hold on to our shoulders. There's so many emotions we hold on to in our minds,
Yeah.
and we love the trauma and the drama. So I realized I'm enjoying that, I'm holding on to that. And that one day powerful session of access just blew my mind. I said,
And your
I
daughter
got a
also
magic
loved
wand.
it. And
Yeah.
your daughter, yeah,
Ah,
she was
oh,
what, 10? I think
yeah.
she was just 10 when she
10
picked it.
or 9. I think she was
And
very young. Yeah, 9. She was very young.
she picked it up so beautifully. I mean, I think she was better than you.
Oh, any day. Any day. She's still, there's still days when she tells me, Mom, that's a judgment. That's a judgment. So, yeah. So then, yeah, that's an interesting point of view. I like what happened that day. In that day, there was magic. And I always tell people I'm a big Harry Potter fan. So I said, I got my magic wand.
Yeah.
Access has given me that. Definitely.
You
I
became a
feel.
wizard or a witch.
Ah, yeah. Or a bitch also for that matter.
That I destroy everything that's not working.
So
So
yeah.
then, so tell me, share some experience that what magic? Like, what do you call magic?
Okay, so I'll tell you, one of the biggest magic that I found is that I started meeting people the way I was. There were so many friendships that have opened up for me after I doing access. They may not have done access, they may have not known about access, but because of access and because what I have let go of,
Yes.
things opened up for me. So there were people who knew me for 20 years, but they always or I kept a safe distance from them. And we are now like, best of buddies. So one
Wow.
thing, relationships definitely became clearer, open, pure. I think unadulterated and just fun. So
Wow.
one major thing, and I love being around people. So for me, this was like magic. I could just, okay, I like somebody, it just opens up the world because you're not holding any opinions, any judgments. You're not holding on to any drama. So the other person feels very welcome.
So
So
I just want your point of view about how does it change the marital or the forget marriage. I'm making it personal. Like marriage के लिए कैसे contribute करता है access? लोग बहुत लोग बोलते हैं इससे रिश्ते अच्छे हो जाते हैं. तो
ओ
आप
मैं बताती हूँ मेरा पति and I'm being very honest. Let him listen if he listens. Okay, I tell him that when I got married to him, he was 27. He used to
okay.
behave like a 50-year-old man. Okay,
Oh,
and now he's 52, and we
and
go on night bike rides, and he every occasion there's a rose, and he cooks for me, and he makes the world's best tea for me.
wow.
So if like Kavita also knows my hubby, so
Yes.
there is such a major shift in my hubby. But I would definitely say I have been running bars for him, been running bars for my children. So over a period of time, the relationship, and there was so much clarity. There were things that in a relationship, especially in a marriage, you try to not raise issues that you feel will bring a fight. Now we
Yeah.
can sit on a table, have a cup of tea, and discuss about we and be on the same page
Wow.
also.
And there's the more easy is what you're saying, right?
Yeah,
It
because
like
there's no, yeah, everything. Access has certain very magical tools. Like, what is it that you're holding on to? What is it that everything that you're holding on against your hubby, will you destroy and uncreate it? So there are so many questions. Access is always being in a question, and
absolutely
before access, I was always into analysis and finding an answer. So I think that is the magic
gone.
word, being in a question. So if Hiren
So
is telling something.
no, so can I say that you changed and that changed him?
Of course, I have changed. I think I
Right.
have changed, and I'm attracting the right kind of energies around me. Definitely,
Okay.
I take the credit that I have changed.
Yeah, there's no right or wrong is what you said. No, so
Yeah,
forget
there's nothing
right.
right and wrong.
You just
Yeah,
invite
yeah,
energies that are contributing to you.
yeah. And everybody says, and it's just been said in a space. So even there's an argument. Initially, I used to hold on, I used to remember, and then we used to argue it. Now
That's
he's
a
just
normal
saying,
trait of of a wife, you know. तुम्हें याद है तुमने वो किया था.
Exactly. Now it's okay. You've said it. It's your interesting point of view. It's your point of view. Yeah, that's fine. So
Wow.
I think being in a question is very wonderful. Yeah.
It's wonderful. So where do you see yourself 5 years from now, if I may ask?
5 years from now, I see all over the world. I am yeah. I think so. Why I'm saying all over the world is because of Corona. Even the virtual world has opened up. So I had been restricting myself only doing workshops physically. Now I have been
The
counseling.
world is opened up.
Yeah. So I think virtual world has opened up. So a lot of people to come and tell me Corona has been tough. I say Corona has been just there to open up so many things for us.
Oh yeah, Laura, if you're looking at the brighter side, I think it has contributed way more than what it's taken away. But
So
yes, I can't. It
you'll
is.
find me all over the world now in the coming 5 years. Virtually also maybe flying around here.
Corona restricted you in 2020, and after this 5 years, you're going to be all over the place. Yeah, all over the
I'm
world.
going to be all over the place. People are going to get tired of me, and that's their choice. But I'm just going to be there.
I'm still going to be there. Why get tired? Yeah? You are jolly. You're a jolly
Yeah.
good fellow.
No, but so what I'm saying is tired in the sense, yes, everybody likes to look at something new, but I always feel Dharmendra is Dharmendra and nobody can replace him. So Jolly is Jolly and nobody can replace her, like that.
So the older the wine, it tastes even better.
Yeah,
What?
definitely. Yes.
You're judging you.
Yeah,
Please.
no judging. Yes.
So so okay, give me. I would like you to contribute or what few words of encouragement or inspiration to people who are listening to this. What would you like to tell them or say to them?
One thing I would say, go for a one-day bar class online if it is possible. Yes, I am going to have my personal point of view that please do it with Kavita because I know you so because I love the energy that you're so
Thank you.
welcoming and yeah. So one day bar class is, I think every human being who's alive, whatever age, should do this. I think
And
then
just for your reference, Jolly is a bars facilitator, so you can knock at her door as well, because I injected her and she can inject you guys too. So please consider going to her, or if nothing else, take a session. What else would you? What else?
Session, yes, definitely. But I think a one-day bar class, and it's so lighter. I think I felt so light. I felt like a feather. So I think everybody that I know and everybody who watches this, please, it's worth the investment. It's everything. Don't go in for any analysis. Just go in. It's going to change your life. See mine. I think it's been 4 or 5 years that I did my first bar class, and I am like my most happiest, or whatever you call. I created being a happiness coach, and I think Access is contributing so much to that.
It's adding on to your life. It is
Yes.
just about you. I mean, we invest so much in diamonds, which is great, which makes us happy. But you become a diamond when you kind of
Yeah.
your glow has only increased. That's what I would say.
And I think everybody who wants to get married in 2021, go for a bar class before you get married. It's very important. I think they should, I was just thinking that the government should say that.
Facelift removes and because your dark and everything, you're looking much lighter.
Better. So facelift, bar class. I think they should make it mandatory, like a marriage certificate, that if you want to get married, do a bar class. I think it's very. I would have loved doing it 25 years before. So they'll be.
I know. And then how you take pictures, you wouldn't require filters. How is that?
Definitely you don't require filters. So just going to.
After bars and facelift, you will be happy to be you, not editing your pictures.
Yeah, just being you, just being in a question.
And being jolly and happy.
And all of life comes, with ease, joy, and glory. Yeah. So that's
so wonderful. That was so wonderful. Thank you so much, Jolly. You've been pretty jolly, yeah, and happy. And may you keep spreading this happiness, and may there be a lot of people knocking at your door as in the virtual door as well, because I know you like your peace now. But that they want to receive this enthusiasm and energy that you have, at which you're vibrating currently, to pass it on.
But I would still insist, it's my point of view. Please have a virtual online class with Kavita. I think I would like to repeat it again and again. I'm going to do my foundation again. As we
8th
have
and
talked.
9th, can you be there? Like, if you have time, that is. I
Yeah,
would be more than happy to have
yeah,
you just be there.
yeah. So please, please, it's going to just transform the life. That's
Yes, for everyone. Thank you, guys. See you next Wednesday with some amazing younger. I'm not saying that she's old, but younger guests who are going in college going people. And let's hear it from them what they have to say about life and accessing their life. Thank you for so much for watching this. And thank you so much, Jolly, for being there.
Thank you, Kavita. Thank you for calling me. It's lovely, lovely meeting you. Bye, bye.